sewing the trim on the pocket openings. So forward, reverse, using the magnetic guide to keep it even. And worry about what's going to look like on the other side more so than on this side, because the other side's where the top, this is on the inside, so you won't see it so much. So I'll fix that up, makes it much better. Again, wasn't overly keen on how this was top stitched. I would have preferred it in a little bit more from the edge, so I'm going to do that one again. Hence the few raw threads hanging around. Yeah, that looks a bit better. Not so much on the edge. Make sure your top stitching is the same on both sides. Have a look at it and see if it's visually similar. Yep, I'm happy with that. So I'll trim off these extra pieces. Any threads still hanging around. And I'm ready to pin it onto my front now. And this is the inside of it.